Hello, students of class 4. Get ready for the new chapter of Social Studies Movements of the Earth. Every day we notice that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It appears that the sun is moving continuously from east to west. In fact, the sun is stationary and the earth is moving around it. All the planets, including our Earth, are moving around the Sun. Each planet has two motions. These are rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution are responsible for various changes on the Earth's surface. In this chapter, we shall discuss about the motions of the Earth and their effects. Rotation of the Earth. The Earth spins on its axis just like a potter's wheel. This continuous spinning of the Earth on its axis is called its rotation. The Earth rotates from west to east. The axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the Earth from North Pole to the South Pole. The axis of the Earth is always tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree from the vertical and the 66.5 degree from the plane of its orbit. This tilt is known as the inclination of the Earth's axis. The circumference of the Earth at the equator is nearly 40,000 kilometers. The Earth takes nearly 24 hours to complete this distance or rotation. In this way, rotation is also known as the daily motion of the Earth. Effects of the Earth's rotation. Number 1. Days and nights occur due to the rotation of the Earth. When the Earth rotates, the side facing the sun has day and the other side facing away from the sun has night. Number 2. The Earth's rotation is responsible for the occurrence of tides in the oceans. Number 3. It deflects the directions of winds and ocean currents. Number 4. Due to this rotation of the Earth, regions on the east have the sun's first appearance in the morning and the time is ahead of regions in the west. Number 5. We know that Japan lies in the extreme east of the eastern hemisphere. That is why it is known as the land of the rising sun. Revolution of the Earth. First point, the movement of the Earth around the sun is known as its revolution. The Earth takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 45 seconds to complete one revolution. Number 3. From west to east, the Earth revolves at the speed of nearly 30 km per second. Point number 4. This is also called the annual motion of the Earth as the Earth takes nearly 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution. We calculate 365 days in a year. The balance of nearly 6 hours is added to one extra day after every 4 years. This extra day is added to the month of February in that year. In this way, February comprises 29 days and that year comprises 366 days. Such a year is known as a leap year. Effects of the annual motion or revolution of the Earth. Occurrence of the seasons is the major effects of Earth's revolution. We have 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. When the sun reaches its highest or lowest point in the sky at midday, marked by the longest and shortest days, is called solstice. 21st June and 22nd December are considered at the summer solstice and winter solstice respectively, while equinoxes refer to those times when day and night are of equal length. It occurs twice in a year. 21st March and 23rd September are considered as the spring equinox and autumn equinox respectively. So children, this was your chapter. I hope you must have understood. Thank you.